Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today we are going to control the speed of a shunt DC motor by changing its input voltages and changing the armature resistance. We have in circuit diagram we have a variable battery, DC battery, a variable resistor, potentiometer, and a ammeter which is connected in series with DC motor, and a voltmeter which is connected in parallel with the DC motor. We have some basic calculations. V minus EB is equal to IARA, as we know that this is the basic equation of ideal DC motor, and EB is equal to NP flux Z divided by 60. Equation number 2 is the real DC machine equation of the real DC machine. So in the equation of real DC machine, N represent the speed of motor, P represent number of poles, flux per pole, Z represent number of armature conductor, and A represent parallel paths. So from equation 1 and 2 we compare equation 1 and 2, and we are going to solve this for speed. So from this we can calculate the value of n, which is equal to 60A divided by P flux Z into V minus IARA. As we know that when we are designing, the factor which is 60A divided by P flux Z is remain constant, so we can replace with K. So from this equation we can conclude that when we increase the voltage, speed of the motor will increase, and when we increase armature resistance, speed of the motor will decrease, because the factor which is armature resistance is in negative, increasing in negative. So we can conclude that the speed of the motor will increase when we increase the voltages, and the speed of the motor will decrease when we increase armature resistance. So now we are going to implement on the Proteus. At 1.45 volt you can observe the speed of the motor. So now we are going to increase the speed of the motor. Now you can see when increase the voltages, input speed of the motor is increasing. Now our first thing is proved. Now we are going to prove that increasing the armature resistance, speed of the motor will increase or decrease. So let it him to reach its maximum speed. So now you can see when I am going to increase the armature resistance, speed of the motor will going to decrease. can see the factor that by decreasing the armature resistance, speed is increasing, and when we increase the resistance, speed start decreasing. So this is our calculation that when we increase the voltages, speed will decrease, and when we increase voltages, speed will increase, and when increase armature resistance, speed will decrease.